Hey, I know it's a shock to finally see me on this channel, but hey, we got shit to do. We got life to live. You know what I mean? Shit been hard, but I'm back. But yeah, today's video, not even gonna waste any time. We're going to talk about Android versus iOS. Which one is better, in my opinion? All of this video is going to be my opinion and my opinion alone, nobody else's. And what I think is, who I think is the best, or which one I think is the best. So without further ado, even if you're interested, let's get into it. Let's talk about the criteria. Activity, easy access, and layout. Those are the three criteria that I'm going to judge these two systems and exploitation systems on. So first of all, connectivity. The first thing, I think Android is better than iOS at connectivity, because Android is pairable with every other device, Android device. You know what I mean? Because it's an exploitation system. It works with plenty of devices, and each Android works with the previous generation, the next generation, the same generation on different phones. But when it comes to iOS, it doesn't. It is only compatible with iPhone and Apple products. That's it. You want to use your iPhone, you can only use it with Apple products. If you have an iPhone, you need to have an iMac or a MacBook, an Apple TV, anything, everything Apple. If you want to connect it with anything. If you have an Android, you see how easy is that? You can connect it to anything and everywhere. You can connect it to your car, to your TV, smart TV, to your PC, anything. Different phones, the next man's phones. Because listen, I have an S20 and I have no problem connecting this shit with any other device and sending and receiving files, whether it be TV, PC, other phones, it doesn't matter. I have no problem with that. I don't. And as an ex-iOS user, I always had a problem with that, because I use PC, I use Windows. I don't have a MacBook or an iMac. I don't have that shit. So to connect my phone to a PC, it was a fucking hassle. It was a fucking hassle. And I know a lot of people that use iPhones and use iOS devices, but they have Androids when it comes to working and work. But yeah, as I said, when it comes to connectivity, Android, for me, it takes it. Next criteria is easy access. Easy access. Your Android phone is easily accessible. But you know which one is even more easier to access is iOS. It doesn't matter. Your iOS is the easiest system to have access to. Everything is in place, everything is in order, everything is laid out, not laid out, but everything is, clear. You need to go to a setting, it's there. You need to go to anything. Accessibility, you can access anything through it and in it. You know what I mean? But Android is a bit difficult, and you have to navigate through shit, especially in the settings, bro. Settings for Android, it's a hassle. It's a lot. It's easy, but it's a lot. If you need to set up your phone, both of them easy, but iPhone is easier. iOS, it is easier. That shit, plus it's faster. Most fucking iOSs are faster than Androids. Well, previous generation, new generation, kind of. Snapdragon and shit, with Snapdragon and all of that, helping your fucking Android, yeah, different. For easy access, I'm gonna have to give it to iOS. So it's 1-1. No need to say anymore. Layout. When it comes to the layout aesthetically, it's iOS. But when it comes to functions, it's all about functions in this channel. You need shit that functions. You need shit that works. So Android, keep it simple, keep the layout minimum, and it's amazing. The layout on Androids is amazing. iOS is confusing. I don't know what to do. Most of the time, you swipe left, you get a menu. You swipe right, you get a menu. You swipe down, you get a menu. You swipe up, you get a menu. It's a mess. You don't even have the main menu on the main screen. You have to scroll through that shit. The layout is confusing. iOS, Apple, fix that shit. Fix your flipping layout. Android, it's easy. You have the main screen, you swipe up, you have the menu, you have all of your apps, everything. Everything is laid out perfectly for you. You need to exit, you have those exit buttons. Easy. With fucking iPhone, you have to scroll down. You have to, you want to clear your shit, you have to swipe up and hold it so it gives you the fucking, all the apps that are opening, you have to clear that shit. But with Android, you have to press just the 3 slots, 3 lines, and it gives you that. You have a button to delete everything, and everything is deleted. So when it comes to layout, Android is easily the best when it comes to layout. So it's a clear win for Android. When it comes to me, that's only my opinion. If you have a different opinion, you can leave it down in the comments down below. I know this video was a fast video, but because I'm just coming back to this channel, I don't want to make fucking woof videos and exhausting videos. I just decided to talk about this, but the next videos are going to be exciting. Again, video every week talking about and discussing tech, YouTube shit. So yeah, if you enjoyed this and you have any different opinion, leave them down in the comments down below. If you have the same opinion, let me know why you chose Android. Android and not iOS. And if it's the opposite, let me know too. Subscribe to my channel and see you on my next one. Peace.